Good morning, class. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic, plagiarism and how to avoid it. Understanding plagiarism is essential for doing our work honestly and respecting others' efforts. Purav, can you start us off?
Sure, plagiarism is when someone takes someone else's work, ideas, or words and presents them as their own without giving credit to the original source. It's like copying someone else's homework and pretending you did it yourself.
That's a good explanation, Purav. Plagiarism can happen in many ways. For example, if we copy text directly from a book, website, or even a friend's work without saying where we got it from, that's plagiarism. It's important to always give credit to the original author.
Yes, Rashi. Another form of plagiarism is paraphrasing. This is when we change a few words in someone else's work but keep the same ideas and structure without giving credit. Even if we're not copying word for word, it's still plagiarism if we don't acknowledge the source.
Exactly, issue. To avoid plagiarism, we should always cite our sources. This means telling our readers where we got our information. We can do this by using quotation marks for direct quotes and including a bibliography or a list of references at the end of our work.
And it's also important to use our own words as much as possible. When we research a topic, we should try to understand the information and then explain it in our own way. This not only helps us avoid plagiarism but also shows that we really understand what we are talking about.
Another way to avoid plagiarism is by using plagiarism checkers. These are tools that can help us see if any part of our work matches something that's already been published. It's a good habit to check our work before submitting it to make sure we haven't accidentally copied something.
That's a great idea, Purav. And we should also remember that plagiarism isn't just about text. It can also happen with images, music, and videos. If we use someone else's photo or song in our project, we need to make sure we have permission or that it's okay to use it under something like a Creative Commons license.
And let's not forget that plagiarism can have serious consequences. In school, it can lead to getting a lower grade or even failing an assignment. But beyond school, plagiarism can damage our reputation and career, especially if we're caught copying someone else's work without permission.
That's true, issue. By understanding what plagiarism is and how to avoid it, we can make sure that our work is original and honest. It's about respecting other people's ideas and being proud of our own work.
Absolutely. When we do our own work and give credit where it's due, we are showing that we value honesty and creativity. It's not just about following the rules, it's about doing the right thing.
Excellent discussion, everyone. You've covered what plagiarism is and how to avoid it very well. Remember, being original and giving credit to others is key to being a responsible and respectful student. Keep up the good work and always aim for integrity in your work.